the big question we have here is where exactly did I leave off? I'm not sure. Hey, look at this. Look, I can do this. It's like panoramic view. But we'll take it from there. We'll see. As a thespian or actor, you're always in between stuff or always working on something. Currently, right now, in the heat of the day, it looks like there is talk of the Pennsylvania Experience 5 coming up, so that should be a lot of fun. I'm really excited about this little panoramic view. Now, I am in my plaids today. I'm going down to Ireland. Everybody keeps telling me, give me a tune, man. So, all I can say is for the benefit of Mr. Kite, there will be a show tonight in Trampoline as we head to the, I'll see you soon. Okay, well, we just concluded another round of exercise. And so you're asking, what about women? Ah!